It's the third morning and I've been hiking for about an hour and the sun is just trying to peek over that ridge over there. And I've discovered what I don't like about honey stingers. I actually love honey stingers, but when it's freezing, they are like brittle and hard to chew. Gotta get some water, but first I gotta get to it. I had to break ice back there in the creek to get water, and thinking that I'm coming to this road crossing and there'd be a safe full of water up here, but you can never count on it. This thing is empty, not even empties in there. So you take your water where you can get it. If you come to one of these and there's water in it, fine, but don't count on them. We're at Canola Pass Trailhead, and I'll be in Patagonia tomorrow morning at this time eating a nice hot breakfast. This is one of last season's thru hikers that didn't manage their water properly. This is the Down Under tank at mile 37.5, and I just flushed about 200 ducks off of it. And I do need water, but just 1.5 miles ahead is a solar spigot, so they say that's really reliable and I won't have to filter it probably. The solar spigot was actually frozen, probably that pipe coming up, but I turned it on and sat around for about 5 minutes and it started spurting and then it started flowing, so I got water. Okay, I'm back on good trail. 3 times today I've gotten off trail because I'm in cow country, and sometimes the cow paths look better than the Arizona trail and you just wander off into it. But after you don't see signage for a while, you pull out far out and bushwhack back to the trail. Can't make up its mind. It was pretty nice most of the day, but about 3 o'clock it started sleeting and I could feel the temperature drop, and I knew it was coming. I had some dark clouds, so I had my poncho out, my chaps. I've been wearing these almost every day anyway because it's cold, but hopefully it's not going to rain all night. Unplugging day 3. I can hear Highway 82, so I'm close. I'm gonna probably hike another mile and then camp near that crossing so I can get into Patagonia in the morning. Then we're going up this way just under Wrightson.